guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making Gol Gappa shells. So for this we'll be needing half cup of suji, 2 tablespoons of flour, and a quarter cup of water. I have the water on the stove over there because we need it really hot. I'm going to start by adding our suji and our flour. When we buy the suji, you want it to be, you don't want it to be very fine like caster sugar, but you want it to be in crystals like sugar. So
wait for me! What you making today?
I'm making Gol Gappa.
Nice. Which part of it? The water?
The shell.
Nice.
Okay, so I think the water should be done by now.
It should be boiling, and it is boiling.
It's really hot right now. So I'm just gonna put this in our measuring cup.
Be careful. Oh my god.
Okay. So that's a quarter cup. I'm going to add this into our suji and flour and use the spoon to just mix it in. You can see it's getting a little cooler now. I'm going to go ahead and use my hand and just knead it a bit.
In the beginning we used the spoon because it's really hot.
Yeah, and we don't want to burn ourselves. As you can see, it's trying to come together in a ball. I'm going to, I have kneaded this for around 2 to 3 minutes. I'm going to put this back in our bowl, and I'm going to rest this with with a cotton cloth on top for around half an hour. So this is going to be resting for 30 minutes, and I'll see you when this is fully rested. Half an hour since the dough has been resting, so it's not supposed to rise because it doesn't have yeast in it.
Hey people!
I have some butter paper here, and I'm just gonna sandwich the dough in and press it down. I'm going to lightly roll this 5 centimeters thick. Now that the Gol Gappa dough has been rolled, we're going to be using a 1.5 inch cutter, and I'm going to be cutting our circles out. Cutting them, I put this on this parchment paper. I'm going to cover these with the cotton cloth for a few minutes. Resting, I'm going to pick one at a time, and I'm going to put them in for frying. So the top part on the parchment paper has to go on the bottom part while frying. Do the last 5, and I'm just going to take them out. The ones that stayed flat, I'm using them as papad and achar. Now that these are fried, let's try one of them. So I have some chana here. I have some homemade pani. Let's try it. It's very crispy. I don't know, but I can hear the crunches in my ears. And it's really crispy. So let's make the chaat now. The Gol Gappas that didn't rise properly, I have them here, and they become just like papri type thing. So I'm gonna put some of my chana in here. I have some yogurt. Some yogurt on top. Our papri. Just gonna break it. Ooh. These are really crispy. I'm going to add in our yogurt more. I have our imli ki chutney. our hari chutney. And then I have some chaat masala, which I'm just gonna sprinkle on top. And some more yogurt. So let's try it. Smell. The popper brings everything together and gives it a really good taste and crunchiness as well. So if you like the Gol Gappa recipe and the chaat, please tell us if you do this recipe at home. Like, subscribe, and share this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!